So, Sodatide is basically marketed as a supplement designed to support things like weight management, appetite control, and metabolic health. The marketing can make it sound like an easy alternative to prescription weight loss treatments, but that's where I'd be careful. The biggest thing to understand is that a supplement isn't the same as a clinically proven prescription medication. Even if some of the ingredients have been studied individually, that doesn't mean Sodatide itself will produce the same results. I'd also be skeptical of dramatic weight loss testimonials and claims about controlling appetite or boosting metabolism. Results can vary a lot, and a supplement shouldn't be treated as a guaranteed solution for losing weight. So, is Sodatide worth buying? I'd look closely at the full ingredient list, dosages, evidence behind the claims, and the reputation of the company selling it before spending your money. Overall, I wouldn't expect medication-like results from a supplement just because the marketing suggests it. Keep your expectations realistic and focus on what the actual evidence supports. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.